another area of technical analysis, and that is called gap theory. So people have written books of 500 pages, 1000 pages on gap theory. Okay, that's also one of the areas. I'm just orienting you on various areas which we have. Okay, now let's say the last price data which we have, and let's say I'm talking about 1 day time frame. Now you have understood what is time frame, all of you. Time frame is basically when we have 1 minute, one day, 1 week. You need to choose the time frame, right? Whatever time frame you choose, basis that you will see that how many candles can be fit into one screen, let's say. Okay, yes. So suppose that if you are choosing 1 day, so how many trading sessions happen in a year? Around 200, 250, and that's the time frame of, I mean, the size of a standard laptop screen, let's say, isn't it? So technically, if you have chosen the time frame as 1 day, then you will see that the time horizon, the horizontal axis of the stock, will be 1 year. 1 day is linked to 1 year. How? Because if 1 day time frame means one candle will include 1 day's worth of open, high, low, and close. It will have 1 day of open, close, let's say low and high. This is 1 day. This is second day. This is third day. Like that, you can have around 200 to 250 candles on one screen horizontally. That's your time horizon, not time frame. Now, if you have chosen 1 year as time horizon, automatically the software will choose time frame as 1 day. If you have chosen the time horizon as 6 months, or let's say 3 months, or let's say 1 month, automatically it will go to a shorter time frame. Why? Because imagine if I'm looking at 1 minute, 1 month. This is not minute, huh? This is minute, this is month. Don't get confused. I also got confused while writing. Okay, so suppose this is 1 month. Okay, now in 1 month, can I fit in, how many daily candles can I fit in? 20. But you know that we have a space of around 250 candles in front of us. Now, what about the 5-minute candle? A 5-minute candle means on a normal day in the markets, we have the market from 9:15 to 3:30, is approximately 6 hours, right? 6 hours means if we have 5 minutes candle, so in 1 hour we will have how many candles will we have in 1 hour? If we have a 5-minute candle happening, how many candles will we have in 1 hour? Come on, 12. Yes, correct. Great, very good. Just wanted to see all if you're alert or not. Okay, now if we have 12 candles happening of 5 minutes each in 1 hour, in 1 day we will have 72 candles. 1 day we'll have 72 candles of 5 minutes, right? Correct. So on a screen, if we can have not more than around 250 candles, let's say approximately 250 candles, so 250 divided by approximately 72 is around 3 to 4 days or 5 days around. So don't you think that if you choose a 5-minute candle, you will see the time horizon will become 1 week, not even 1 month, 1 week. Because if for 5-minute candle, in 1 day you have 12 candles, okay, in 1 hour, sorry, and in 6 hours you will have 72 candles. So in one screen you cannot fit more than 4-5 days of trading session, which means 1 week around. So on the same screen, can I see 10 years ka data? On the same laptop screen, can I see 10 years ka data? Yes, easily. How can I see 10 years ka data? I can choose a time frame of, let's say, 1 month. If I choose a time frame of 1 month, it means during that entire month, the open, high, low, and close will be only one data, which means for the entire month, what was the opening price, closing price, high and low? I will take that into consideration, the open, high, low, and close of 1 month as one candle. So for every month, if we have one candle, and we can have around 240 candles on the screen, let's say. So it is not only going to have 10 years, but it can even go all the way up to 20 years. Don't you think so? 1 year will have 12 candles for a 1 month, 1 candle. So 12 candles for 1 year. So we can have 240 candles. So we can easily have around 20 years of data on the screen also, on the same screen. I hope that the basic things are getting clearer, right? What is the difference between time horizon and time frame and the y-axis, right? The basics should be clear. Yes. Yes, you can choose any time frame you want. You can choose any time frame you want. You can choose 1 week time frame. In case you choose 1 week time frame, so for 240 weeks, around 240 weeks, you know that we have 52 weeks in a year. So around 250 if you have, so you can have around 5 years worth of data. If you are choosing 5 years in time horizon, 5 years, then you can easily go for 1 week time frame, because 1 year has 52 weeks. So 5 years will have around 250 weekly candles. So that is also correct. But for 5 years, not for 10 years. For 10 or 20 years, you have to go for 1 month. Okay. There is also 15 days, which means fortnightly also you can have. For 10 years, you can choose a fortnightly, which means half a month. Okay. Half a month time frame you can choose.